welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, my name is Confidence. A very big welcome to you. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to apply for visa on arrival. I've received calls from people that tell me, see, Confidence, I have an urgency to travel to Nigeria and I need a visa on arrival. And I ask, what are you going to do in Nigeria? What type of visa do you want? And they say tourist visa, but I want to apply for visa on arrival. And I say that's a no. It doesn't work. Visa on arrival is only, in fact, strictly for business purposes. So if you're not traveling for any business meetings or business deals, then you do not qualify to apply for visa on arrival. So that's very, very important to note, that visa on arrival is only limited to business people, businessmen or women or organizations and companies, as the case may be. So that's very important for you to know. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for visa on arrival, and also how to check if an approval has been given or if your request for visa on arrival was declined. So I'll show you in the system, still on Innovate One Services, how to navigate through that platform on how to apply for visa on arrival, and also how to check, because usually when you apply and upload all the necessary things on the internet, on the website for visa on arrival, it takes within 48 hours they're going to respond to you, telling you whether the application was approved or if it was declined. And I also want to please let us know that the embassies have nothing to do with visas on arrival. It's strictly handled by the Nigerian Immigration Services in Abuja. So right now we're going to go straight to the system, and I'll be showing you how to apply for visa on arrival, and also how to check if your application has been approved or declined. So don't go anywhere. Let's look at the system. So hello everyone, we're here on the website now. That is still innovateoneservices.com. That's the platform, the authorized website and service provider for applying for visa on arrival. So now I'm logged in, and all I need to do is to click on application, NIS application. I click there. It brings me here, application type. So I just click on this arrow here. You're going to see different types of applications for passport, re-entry free zone, visa free zone, visa on arrival program. So I click on visa on arrival, and then here it shows us the application type, it shows the processing country, and present nationality. So I want you to see something here. If you try to click on processing country, it doesn't work. So it's permanently written there Nigeria. It's configured that way because visa on arrivals are only handled by the Nigerian Immigration Service in Abuja, Nigeria. So no embassy handles visa on arrival. So it's only by from the headquarters, Nigerian Immigration Headquarters in Abuja. So that's why you can't change it to any other country except Nigeria. So here we go, present nationality. Let's say, for instance, Swedish. So let me say Swedish, that I'm a Swedish national. So you pick your nationality from this box here. So I say Sweden, and see what it says. Dear valid customer, non-African applicants under the age of 18 are not allowed for visa on arrival. Under business category, are you over 18? I say yes. So that means you can apply if you're under 18, you can't apply for visa on arrival because after all, it's for business people. So here, I say, yes, I am over 18. And then I say I'm over 18. Then it says here, business visa type. After I said I'm over 18, it brings out here visa type. So you see, it's only business. It has no other type of visas, only business. So I click that and I say, okay, start application. So then now it brings us here, gives you information. It gives you more details about visa on arrival. So it tells you the people that can apply for visa on arrival. So it says here, frequently travel business persons of international repute, executives of multinational companies, members of government delegations, holders of United Nations laissez-passer, holders of African Union laissez-passer, holders of any other official travel documents of other recognized international organizations who intend to visit Nigeria. And then finally here it says citizens of all African countries except ECOWAS nationals who do not require visa to visit Nigeria and other countries which Nigeria has entered into visa abolition agreements. So it's important you read this. So if you're not in any of these categories, don't even bother to apply because it may be declined and you're going to be wasting your money for nothing. So you see, so there in this box it says next. But you see one interesting thing. If you click on next, see what it says. Please click on VOAP guidelines and read the instruction carefully. So it will not allow you proceed to next if you don't read these guidelines. They want you to, click here. And this is important because here you're going to find information like the telephone number, the email address of the people in charge of the visa on arrival. So you see the details so that if you have any issues with your application or any questions, you see it here. There are different email address, which is very, very good. The support and newworksolution.com. You have here CSI dash e-visa at immigration.gov.ng. So it's very, very important you open this page. Very, very important, and that's why they have made it so that you have this information and contact details in case you have any questions, because I've had people call the embassy sometimes and ask, so what's going on, why was my application declined? So you see, it has nothing to do with the missions. You have to deal directly with the Nigerian Immigration Service. So let's continue. So because we click that now, so it will allow us to proceed. And there we go. And then it's going to bring out all this. So you see here, I'm still going to put all these requirements in the description box. So it's telling you to acknowledge. So, but I want you to note, you see, it has here all you need. So it's important you have all these things before you apply or while you are applying, because you will need to upload most of these things. You see, so it says here requirements for business investor visa, passport valid for at least 6 months, duly completed visa application form, 2 set recent passport photographs, a letter of invitation. Let me just acknowledge this so we'll see though. A letter of invitation from a company or host in Nigeria accepting immigration responsibility, evidence of online payment for visa fee. Self-sponsored businessmen may not require letter of invitation, and so on and so forth. Introduction letter from applicant. That introduction letter is the applicant that is going to write it. That's you. And then the CAC certificate, that is the certificate of incorporation by the host company. Your flight itinerary, and and so on and so forth. So this is very, very important. And then here you go. This is the form. So you start filling all these details, and then there are provisions for you to upload whatever is required of you to upload. So you see, so when you are done with that, you have to agree. You say you agree with the requirements, and then you proceed to next. So when you proceed to next, you just go on. Since I'm not applying, I can't proceed any further. So, but I just wanted you to see how it works. So if, assuming I was applying, now if I click this, it will take me to the second. If I click this, it will take me to the next page, and so on and so forth. And at the end of it, it will ask you to pay online, and then you pay with your Visa card or MasterCard. And remember that the name on the card has to also match the name that is on the application. So that means you have to use your card yourself to do what? To pay. So that is it. And after that, within 48 hours, if everything is properly done and the application is complete, within 48 hours, they're going to respond to you whether your visa has been approved or not. They're going to send you an email. And also, if you want to check if the your application has been approved, all you need to go is to go to the Nigerian immigration website, not the Innovate Now. You go to the Nigerian immigration website. This is Nigerian immigration website. I just click on home. This is the home. I click on home. This is the Nigerian immigration website. Let's say this. This is Nigerian immigration website. Okay, this one. So if I go there, if you want to check the status of your application, that is of the visa on arrival that you have done, what you need to do, you go to the Nigerian immigration website, this one, and then you go to you look for payment status, application payment status. You click here. When you click there, it brings you here. It will tell you to choose application type. Then you choose your visa on arrival, and then you put your ID number and reference numbers that you generated when you fill the form on innovate1services.com. And when you fill in these information, you just click on search record. And when you do that, it's going to inform you if your application has been approved or not. Very, very important. So it's very, very easy on how to, do that. So, and when you get the approval, you will be able to print it out. It will, and on that printout, there's going to be a barcode on the letter, so to say, or should I call it here the visa on arrival approval letter? Yeah, I can call it that. And then it's going to have a barcode there with some numbers. It's going to have your applicant data. It's going to have visa information, the documents you presented, and it will have notes. It will have some notes telling you this slip is a confirmation that you have been granted permission to arrive in Nigeria. So, and then that means that encouraging you to print this out while you travel to Nigeria, because with this, when you get to the airport in Nigeria, they're going to take your biometrics, and then they will issue the visa to you. So I hope this has been very helpful to you. So thank you so much for watching. Please always remember to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions, please do feel free. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay safe and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.